Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send a birthday SMS. Birthday SMS's function will be used to congratulate patients on their birthdays. An SMS template can be created and can be used or edited at any time. For more information regarding the SMS template, please refer to the Workflow Event Template SMS Template User Manual linked in this video's description. Let's begin on how to send a birthday SMS. From the Debtors screen, click on the CRM tab at the top of the screen. Click on the Booking Reminder SMS tab. Click on the Diary Entity drop-down and choose a desired entity. Click on the Select drop-down to choose a desired practitioner. Please note that if the user didn't select an entity, the Select drop-down will not work. For all patients' birthdays between selected dates, the start and end dates are used to filter the patient's birthdays. Click on the Filters Bookings button. Let's go on how to send the SMS. The user can select the Send Bulk SMS button once they are happy with the birthday SMS. Click on the Send Bulk SMS button. The SMS Workflow event screen will open. Click on the SMS drop-down menu. Click on the Birthday SMS template. Please note that the SMS option to change the template. The SMS will now show under the Recent Jobs drop-down menu. Please note that all SMSs sent from the system will be logged under the Admin Event History. For more information regarding the Admin Event History, please refer to the SMS Email Notebook History Admin Event History User Manual linked in this video's description.